3-bed, 2-bath, 1,216 square feet, 3,049 square foot lot. 2201 Sumner Street, Lincoln, Nebraska 68502. Move-in ready under $200,000. Nestled in the near South neighborhood is the most adorable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This cutie has main floor laundry, tall ceilings, and the perfect large, covered front porch for people watching and enjoying your fresh cup of coffee. All appliances stay, as well as the garden shed and raised garden beds. Short walking distance to Sunken Garden, Rose Gardens, Lincoln Children's Zoo, bus routes, parks, coffee shops, and shopping. Updated electrical, additional insulation in the attic, and some exterior walls, off-street parking, and spot for future garage.